welcome back to Lions Kids Toy Channel. So today we're going to review this toy.
Put the rocks into the hole.
Okay, so as you see, it have a button here. Turn it on or off.
I'm a powerful dump truck. I rumble down the road, moving my load from here to there. Put the rocks into the hole.
So this is one of the balls that it come with it. So you push it here, and it come from here.
Can you drop one more rock into the hole?
Of course. Let's drop one more ball to the hole.
Driver. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Yay!
Good job.
Okay, so let's press this green button.
Saw.
Saw, okay.
Hammer.
Hammer.
Yellow.
Oh. Uh-oh. That was fun. Okay, so we have the doggy. The little cute doggy. You want to jump. Jump here. Are you ready? Okay. Ready?
Put the rocks into the hole.
Okay, ready, set, go. Ooh. Let's get him. Where is he? Oh, okay, he's here. Okay. Are you ready again? Let's do it again. Jump. 1, 2, yippee! Okay, here's the doggy again. Then the doggy said, "Cow, it's your turn now. Okay? Okay, let me try this. You see this cow? She's gonna try to jump. Ready, set, go!" Oh, nice jump. Let's do it again. Uh-oh. Okay, cow. Okay. Let's try to put this ball here. Oh, it's too big. Let's try to throw it here. I like this ball. It's soft and mushy. Oh, yay! Alright, so now Snoopy. Hello, Snoopy. How are you? I like your scarf, your red scarf. Snoopy going to pull this truck like this. Ready, set, go, Snoopy! Yay! Oops! Now, Snoopy, what do you think about riding this beautiful colorful truck? Alright, let's try. Ready, set, yay, Snoopy! Snoopy riding the truck. I think, let me get the balls out first. Yay! Hold on tight. We're gonna go for a ride. Vroom, vroom. Do you like it, Snoopy? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Snoopy, can the doggy come with you? Yes, of course. Ready, set. Can the cow come with you? Yes, of course. Alright. Look at that. Uh-oh. Look at the cow. The cow is there. The Snoopy is held into the cow. Okay. Broom, broom. Let's go. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom. Snoopy, can this ball come with you? Snoopy, can this ball come with you? Oh, Snoopy, the truck is crowded now. Vroom, vroom. Snoopy, can Peppa Pig go with you? Okay. Uh-oh, Peppa Pig is in the truck. It's a dump truck. Yeah. Ooh. Let's put this ball here. Okay. Broom, broom. Snoopy, let's go. Broom, broom. Snoopy, we arrived. Snoopy, we are here. Ready, set. Oh, Snoopy fall down. Oh, Snoopy, are you okay? Yes, Snoopy is fine. Did you have fun today? Yeah, have a lot of fun. Yay, can we do it again tomorrow? Yes, we can do it tomorrow again. Okay, so let's just throw this ball back in the dump truck. Ready, set, go! Snoopy, ooh, Snoopy, ooh. Alright, kids. I really enjoyed reviewing this toy and playing with Snoopy today. So please give me the thumbs up for more videos like this, and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you.